guys, I thought I'd explain that last clip. Of course I couldn't before because it was loud. Boy, that was pretty cool, wasn't it? All those girls seemed enthusiastic. They were all smiles, and that must have taken a long time to get right like that. The drumming and the dancing, and I don't know if you caught all of it, but they didn't even stay in one spot. They were going up and down the streets near this area and stopping every so often, doing another song, another routine, and then moving on. Pretty cool stuff here. That's what I love about walking around. You just see stuff like that out of the blue. Just about to stop and get something to eat, so I'll talk to you guys later. See ya. Right, just finished eating. We're down here now on Pub Street at night. I can't take good night videos with this camera because it doesn't really show up that good. But I figured trying to cross the street is always entertaining, and there's always a chance it could be the last thing you see is my camera flipping up over there as I get ran down by something heavy. So, with that in mind, I think we can all agree that sometimes it's better to just go and let the Cambodian gods figure out what to do with me, if that should happen. And they saw fit to let me live, so that's a bonus. I know some of you are thinking that's not a bonus. I know what you were waiting for, but it didn't happen this time. Anyway, not too busy down here tonight. But why should it be? It's a Tuesday. Not much going on. But it's a nice evening. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Alright guys, I'm here. I'm eating breakfast. This is the next day from my last video. I want to show you this though. There's a lot going on in here. You got meats, you of course get noodles, you got onions, you got big huge chunks of carrots, you got cucumbers. But what I really want to show you is this broth. This broth, if they bottled this stuff, I would drink it straight from the bottle, I swear to God. Look at that. Look at that, it's fatty, it's thick, it's so full of flavor. Oh man, that broth has got a lot going on. By the way, this is my breakfast. I'm probably going to regret that. It's kind of heavy for breakfast. But I just wanted to show you that this big bowl of noodles right here with all of this stuff. And of course my chili flakes inside. It's only $1. Only $1 US. You can't go wrong there. So I'm going to finish this meat. Yep. Talk to you guys later. Look at you. Aren't you cute? Look at this little kitty, guys. Look at this little kitty. Look at this little kitty. Ow. What's my camera? What's my camera strap? Hello. Okay guys, I'm here in a market. Believe it or not, I'm looking for something specific. Looking for a pillow, a regular size pillow. Oh, no, that's not a regular size pillow. I see lots of throw pillows or throw pillow type pillows, but what I'm looking for is specifically just a big long white pillow. Because the one I have is kind of a flat, not too fluffy, and I have to double it up to rest properly. So let's see if I can. Well, there's certainly a pillow, I think. Yep, that's a big pillow too. street oysters. That's one thing I have not tried yet. But they do have lots of spices here. So you can get banana candy, some coconut candy, durian candy, dried mango, banana chips, sweet potato chips, potato, banana, and taro chips. Anise star, coconut powder, amok chili powder, cinnamon, bitter melon, green tea, ginger tea. I mean, just look at all this. You can get anything. Saffron, which by the way is like $12 or $13 for a little jar in the United States. These little packets here are only $1. That's a good deal. Anyway, I'm gonna go look for a pillow. Maybe down here. I see luggage. I think I'm getting closer because I see things that you might associate with a pillow if you do it in a roundabout, weird way. But not down here because this is food. Market is busy today. Oh my goodness. I'm in people's way now, as I normally am. Look at that. I love this place. See you guys later. Success, success. My new pillow. Got that taken care of. Now it's time to look at the rest of the market. Ooh, I've already taken you down there. Showed you all the good stuff. That's what I like to call the good stuff. Yeah, we could take another trip though. I'm seeing some things down there I didn't see before. Let's go take a look at the shrimps. I don't know about you, but this stuff never gets old. Never gets old. Never gets old. Look at all the shrimp, the prawns. Look at them things, man. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All fresh. Ready to cook. Oh yeah, chickens, chicken breasts. Oh man, look at all this chicken. Look at all these fish. Look at that. I love fish. Love it. This place goes deep. We're going deep in the down the rabbit hole here. Deep, deep, deep. Noodles. A little restaurant set up in here, which is always nice. You can just stop, grab yourself a bowl of noodles. And as you guys know, there's two things I love. It's a good market and noodles. And whatever these are, because they just look fried and delicious. Oh man, don't know what they are. They look good. I think I'm going to start coming here before I eat instead of after, because the smells are amazing. Just want to eat. And now, do not know where I am. Ooh, I think I can go out this way though. There we go. I think I found my way out. Ooh, look at all these. Nice. I don't really have shelves or tables to put anything like this on. If I did, I'd probably buy. Yeah, I probably would. Just because it looks cool. Like I said, I needed to decorate my place. And I did that by putting up a Motorhead poster. Yeah. That's about the only decoration I got. Hello. But my goal, my original goal was complete. You see the jewelry. Hello.
What are you looking for?
Oh, I was just looking for a pillow. I found a pillow. And now we're back outside. I don't know which side. Oh yeah, I don't know. This is where they set up all the food stalls later on. And well, not later on, I guess we're over there. You have lots and lots. All right, mission 1 accomplished. Talk to you guys later.